pictures of different ways of greeting a friend. So the first one is a handshake. So stand up, find a partner. So can you go and find other partners?
How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine today.
Shake's partner. Bow. This time bowing. Ready, go.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine today.
What's the next one? It's a beso beso. And the last one, a pat on the back. Ready? So every time you start the music class, always begin with a greetings. So, paano mamaya makakalimutan ko niyan? No need. All you have to do is create your own greeting song. Next
Let's
time.
repeat my song. Hello there. Okay, so every time I do, hindi ako makaganitong sign, teacher. But if I do this sign, then it's your turn. Can you hear the piano? Is it good enough? Hello there. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy. 'Cause we're all here together again. 'Cause we're all here together again. Once more. Hello there. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy. 'Cause we're all together tayo doon. 'Cause we're all here together again. And have this group, and this will answer. Go! Because we're all here together again. Your turn. Because we're all here together again. Can I have the ladies first? Go. Because we're all here together. Find a partner, and then that one will start, the other one answer. Ready, go. Because we're all here together again. Get it? So I started with teacher, and then the whole class will answer. And then the whole class can start, and the teacher will answer. And then by groups, and the last one would be the individual singing with a partner.
So that's an example. Kasi roll call tayo, puro tayo attendance. So no more time to greet the children. So, 1, 2, 3, sing the and then, umpisa na naman tayo. Tapusin natin yung kanta and then we'll start it again. So again, ready? Together. Medyo magsisway naman kayo ng konti. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Imbes na magro-roll call ka, then you can sing the song, here's Dana, here's Dino, then the children can sing their names. Pwede po ba yun? Yes. Okay. So that's your getting to know song when we had the greeting song. So we have a big task in music. And are you all familiar with the curriculum guide?
Mathematics yung music. So how can we avoid it? By using your conceptual approach. So it's not mathematics, but I'll teach you, and the book really will guide you on how to do it the music way. So performing an instrument, the instrument doesn't have to be piano. For instruments, we have your classroom instruments, which can be rhythmic or melodic. And then listening. So listening, medyo mahirap ituro. Number 1, listening a skill. Tapos sabihin nyo, anong repertoire ko? Anong pakikinggan ko? Music and movement cannot be separated. So even if you're singing, hindi pwedeng kakanta yung bata na kaganyan lang. Hindi yun hihinga. Talagang gagalaw at gagalaw yun. Because in music, you have to start and you start composing and arranging. Very slowly, kaya-kaya yan. And for values, we want the children to respond. We want them to collaborate, not only to cooperate, but to collaborate. Hindi nila alam yung mga, even those songs. Kahit parang bukid, wala na. So, ang parang ko sinasabi is, where have all the folk songs gone? Gone na talaga. And I think we really have to bring it back. Nawawala. Kaya alam lang ng mga bata po, Justin Bieber na lang saka Taylor Swift, di ba? So, paano natin ibabalik yun? And we're talking about 21st century lifelong skills. But again, go back to your melodic or your rhythmic. So, we'll give examples as we go on. Then melody, yan, high, low, solfa syllable, scale, melodic direction, and melodic progression. Sometimes you have conflicts. Paano ba talaga ituturo? Hindi nga ako marunong magbasa. Di ba? So, in the book that I prepared, I arranged it into 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes, and then until you reach the octave.
talagang reading yun, talagang makakapagbasa yung bata. And another technique that we use is the movable dog. Are you all familiar with it? Diba? Yan tinuturo naman eh. But the sad thing in our tertiary level, tinanggal na ang music sa mga BSE, diba? Kaya nga sabi namin sa PSMEE, the Philippine Society for Music Ed, paano nang gagawin natin? Wala na music. So how are we going to train the teachers? Okay. So, I always start with the very popular song na hindi na rin alam ng mga bata. Do you agree? Yes. Hindi na nila alam si My Police. So, I will start with a lesson in written. This lesson in written. Go!
My police,
mga bata nang nakita kong pulis, ang tangkad-tangkad niya. Naka-leather jacket pa siya. Pero nakalimutan ko na yung ginagawa niya. Sana ipaalala niya sa atin. Asa kaya siya? Hanapin niyo nga. Hanapin niyo nga. Ayun! Mama, pulis eh! Actually, yung kanina nakalimutan. Pakita niyo naman sa amin sir. Ayun! Ready? 1, 2, anong ginagawa niyo ba? Ba't hindi pa kayo nagpupulis? Everybody! 1, 2, ready, go! Galing ni ma'am, yung bulis nila, may pagka-Miss Universe way. Ayan. Okay, meron na ako sa Miss Laginaw mag-2020 po ito. Kailangan, iba yung ginagawa mo kanina, Sir Wilson eh. Pakita mo nga ibang ginagawa mo, iba eh. Kasi nandun ka sa Rotonda, si Ciel sa Delta. Paano yung ginagawa mo kanina? Ay! Policeman po! Policeman, ready? 1, 2, go! My police! Sa Rotonda, talagang paikot-ikot kasi. Isa? Ay, hindi kaya? Ayun, stop naman in the name of love. Ready? Make a story out of their action. English teacher yun, madali. Kaya alam niyo mag-story. On task. So this is, if I mentioned the methodology earlier, I had Kodai and OR. So si OR, the next one would be our body percussion. What picture do you see? Ano na? Medyo mahirap sa mga younger, di ba? Grade 1, hindi pa nila kaya to. Mahirap pa. But for grade 5, snap. Get it? Go! Anyway. Next, teach you how to clap. Clap with 2 feet. And stop. Start. Already. 1, 2, 3, start. You know, children in music, pag meron, sulat natin mga bata, go! Ka, kabilang kamay. Musiko. Parang
marami siyang, lahat siya nag-exist sa iba-iba. Very nice. Okay, continue. Let's have one song
Together go.
from Biko.
Saro. Lo.
Pasiring sa niyo. So how did I speak it already? Teacher should sing
So I
the
was
whole
already-
song.